Sony has a problem, and it's the best kind of problem to have. The A7S III sets such a high bar for hybrid filmmakers that anything less than a generational leap is gonna feel like a letdown. So when serious leaks started surfacing around the A7S IV, the camera community went into full detective mode. And honestly, what's being reported is not what most people expected. This video breaks down everything we know about the A7S IV, the rumored sensor tech, the video capabilities, and the one spec that could completely change how filmmakers approach their workflow. Here's the thing about the A7 line. It built its reputation not by doing everything, but by doing a few things better than anyone else. Insane low light, clean 4K, rock-solid autofocus. The A7S III became the go-to camera for wedding shooters, documentary crews, and solo run-and-gun operators who needed reliability under pressure. That legacy is exactly why every rumored spec for the 4 gets picked apart so aggressively. People are not looking for a mild refresh. They want Sony to prove the series still deserves its crown. The most talked about rumor right now centers around a brand new stacked sensor sitting around 24 megapixels, which immediately raised eyebrows because the A7S line has always kept resolution low to prioritize light gathering. But here is where it gets genuinely interesting. Reports suggest this sensor uses a dual-layer transistor design that physically separates the photodiodes from the circuitry beneath them. That separation allows more surface area for capturing light on each pixel, while simultaneously speeding up readout. In plain English, Sony may have found a way to push resolution up without touching the low light performance that defines this camera. If that actually works as described, it changes the entire conversation around what an A7S camera is supposed to be. Alongside the sensor talk, leaks are pointing towards 6K open gate recording, and this one matters more than the number suggests. Open gate means the camera uses the full sensor area to capture everything, giving editors the freedom to reframe, crop, and repurpose footage for Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok without ever going back to shoot again. Layer on top of that the oversampling benefits, where that 6K data gets downscaled into sharper, cleaner 4K, and you are looking at a camera that could genuinely simplify how creators manage multi-platform production. Less setup time, more usable content per shoot. Two more areas where the A7S IV could make a real jump: readout speed and subject tracking. The stacked architecture rumored for this sensor should dramatically cut rolling shutter, which has historically been the one consistent weak point of mirrorless cameras for fast-moving subjects. Think handheld action, sports, wildlife, all scenarios where the current generation shows its limits. On the autofocus side, Sony appears to be pushing AI-driven tracking further than anything they've shipped before, with subject recognition that reportedly extends beyond faces and eyes into full body movement and motion prediction. For solo shooters, that is the kind of reliability that can free up real mental energy on set. The A7S IV is shaping up to be Sony's most ambitious hybrid yet, not because it chases the biggest specs on paper, but because it seems engineered to solve the problems working filmmakers actually care about. Whether the final product delivers on these leaks is still to be seen, but the direction is clear. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you upgrading if this camera lands the way the rumors suggest? If you're following the Sony A7S IV closely, hit subscribe because we're covering every update as it comes.